and a very warm welcome to our Duplo Autumn product launch event. The current pandemic has forced most of us to adjust how we live, from working remotely to operating with a reduced workforce, or transforming entire lines of business and interacting with colleagues, customers, and loved ones differently. Despite the challenges we're all facing, it's been incredibly gratifying to see how our Duplo systems are helping the print community to adapt, from enabling on-demand digital packaging production to eliminating manual touchpoints through automated solutions that are easy to use. Such automated precision is particularly relevant today, and we know our systems are helping digital printers all over the world adapt easily and effortlessly. In fact, our recently introduced level entry multi-finisher, the DC618, is the perfect illustration of how our systems solve bottleneck and remove manual processes, which is why we're incredibly proud to welcome you today to our Duplo launch event. We have some very exciting product announcements to share with you, from solutions designed to simplify and automate your entire workflow, to systems that will enable you to expand your line of work and bring more revenue in. Today, we're focusing on two products that are especially relevant given the circumstances we're all facing and can support your activities daily: our unique workflow automation solution and our on-demand digital packaging and shape cutting solution. So let's get started with workflow automation. Now, most workflow systems focus on just one aspect of the printing process. Today, we're releasing a solution that brings post-press together with pre-press. That has never been done before. And by helping you automate the front end of your operation, we're going to not only save you time, but also enable you to get 100% automation of your Duplo finishing equipment. Here is Andy to tell you more about it.
Thanks, Maureen. I'd like to talk to you today about a new product that I've been working on recently. This delivers a complete end-to-end solution that brings post-press much closer to pre-press than ever before. The solution is going to free up resources to allow staff to be more productive throughout the business. It will give you a consistent high quality that your customers always expect. It will improve your production efficiencies and give you faster turnaround times. It will prevent errors, which in turn will reduce waste. Imagine a day when any member of your team can take an order, drop it into a folder, and be printed and finished within a few clicks of the mouse. Well, that day is today.
If you want to find out more about this solution, then sign up for the product webinar sessions taking place later this month. That brings me to the second product we would like to highlight today, the PFI Blade. Imagine a solution offering cutting, kiss cutting and scoring in-house without the need for an expensive die or the time needed to produce one. In other words, the PFI Blade will enable you to produce short-run, custom packaging and finishing solutions on demand, by enabling you to cut any shape instantly. Jobs like pocket folders, labels or product boxes are easily produced. No outsourcing, no waiting, and the ability to offer something that will keep you ahead of the competition. Just load it and leave, and our easy-to-use automated solution will do the rest. With the increase in demand for short-run production and bespoke or personalised solutions, just imagine how it could benefit your revenue stream.
We hope you found today exciting and inspiring.
To find out more about each of these solutions and when they will become available in your market,
please join any one of our live product webinar sessions.
Or alternatively, speak to your local Duplo representative.
We're very excited to see how you use our new products
to create beautiful, timeless and engaging printed products. Stay safe everyone, and we look forward to welcoming you again soon.